Hello, in this video I want to show you how to delete the files from your Asus Chromebook. To do this, you'll need to open your files. It should be this icon in the bottom. Then locate the files that you want to delete. In my case, let's go for the recent, and here's the scanned. Now hold the Alt on your keyboard and click on the file. And somewhere here we should see the delete button. And I guess there is no delete here, so let's try maximizing, because I think it was hidden somewhere at the bottom. Yeah, there's delete right here. You can also use the keyboard shortcut for that, and that's Alt and backspace. Also, right here in the top toolbar you can find the trash button, which also deletes the files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.